How to fix d3dx DLL file is missing errors in Windows 11. To fix d3dx DLL file is missing errors in Windows 11, try 1. Run full system malware scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 2. Download and install d3dx end user runtime as admin. 3. Run SFC and DISM scan as admin. 4. Restore that particular d3dx DLL file. 5. Re-register DLL files. 6. Perform system restore. Plan B. Perform reset this PC, cloud reset, or in-place upgrade repair Windows 7. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, and reinstall the problematic program.